Now let's travel across the fairgrounds to the DNR building, which is just west of the grandstand. The folks there love to share their knowledge of Iowa's beauty and wildlife.
The best part about camping is the food, but sometimes you want more than hot dogs and hamburgers. Here in the DNR courtyard, we're learning techniques that you can use for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and dessert.
So we're using pie irons, so we're using cast iron on a stick and making food in the outdoors. Has anybody used one of these before? So for the pie iron, I always like to start by warming it up, and then once it's warmed, I put it on my wood so I don't melt things, melt the table. I'll spray it down, get it seasoned, get it ready so the bread doesn't stick. Then I'm gonna add all my ingredients, so I'm doing pizzas. Once I've done with the filling, I'm gonna close it up quickly, push the bread in, take it over, and I'm gonna put it on the coals or fire. And then I'm gonna flip it occasionally, make sure that it doesn't burn. I can open it up and check on it. And then once it's done, take it over and unload it and cut it up, and it's ready to eat. Benefit is you get that long duration of time that you can share and make things with your family and really experience all the things that go into making the food, slow it down, and really have that time with your family in the woods, in the outdoors. Any breakfast, lunch, dinner, things you could come up with, that's what you can make. My favorite recently that I've been making a lot is French toast. Oh my gosh, when it's toasted and then it's warmed, it's so good. Anything you could think of putting in between two slices of bread, do it. And it doesn't have to be bread. You could do tortillas, so you can make tacos. I push it in.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Sometimes they just do hash browns and an egg and cook it, and no bread or any vehicle like that.
I had it wrong because I was thinking it backwards.
I really like the pudgy pies because everybody likes sandwiches, and so you can bring whatever ingredients. If people don't like certain things, they can push it together and make what they want. And so it's really fun to use something that everybody can use and everybody can have a hand in and making. Recently was on a camping trip, and it was so fun. Like, I cooked breakfast and dinners over the fire, so I had to make it. So that means getting up before everybody, so then the fire's ready. And I really enjoyed that, because that peace that comes with being the only one awake in the campground, having that peace, putting it into the love that you have for the food, that really makes it even more wonderful.
A simple tool like a pie iron will make your outdoor experience a surprise culinary experience too.